Hello, welcome to Stock Hunters for the week of April 5th. Something new here, and if you think you're safe, you might want to rethink this because I think we're running on fumes and we're into the danger zone. So, uh, let's take a look at the markets and see what's going on, and we can go from here and make the decision. Here we go. Okay, we're looking at the overall total market here, and as you can see here, we're still bouncing up higher and higher each day, running onto more and more vapor fumes in the clouds. But as they say, the bigger they are, the harder it's going to fall. So, in other words, if you've been in the market and been fortunate enough to catch all this, that's great. I would put a tight stop down in this area just to be safe. This way, if we continue to go up for the next few days, then you'll be able to capture those gains. Now, for those that haven't, just like myself, I'm waiting for the second bounce just to confirm that this is our low here. So I'm just playing it a little more conservative than normal here. So let's look at the other. Now we're looking at the Dow here, and as you can see on the Dow, we're still bouncing up in this area here. Put a stop right under there, so you could be safe here. And now on the NASDAQ, which has been leading the upward move, I would put a tight stop over here, and I think we're running into a lot of resistance up here, up on the 200-day. And again, these charts are on a weekly basis. So now we're looking at the S&P. Again, the S&P has been going up. However, as you can see here, it's starting to round out here. So we're just to be concerned and just to be careful here. Now we're looking at the Russell, the small caps, and small caps are still heading up higher. We're seeing a tail being developed up in this area, that little tail there, which could either mean that things could be reversing soon, but keep an eye and put a tight stop right under it. And looking at globally, it's been also heading up. I would put a tight stop on the bottom. Basically, all of these indices are all an upward trend. I'm not sure if you could see this here very well. These individual indices and the sectors down here. Two new sectors have developed a new signal. We have utilities, which is now generated a trigger point for the short term, which will be trading within a few weeks, up to a few weeks at a time. And then we have another column here, which is the midterm, and there you would trade for several weeks to a couple of months. And then this last one over here in red is months. So we got utilities, and then also we have got energy that's triggered a midterm. So we're going to take a look at a couple of these. And here is the energy, XLE, and as you can see, it just generated buy signal a few weeks ago, but it's now confirmed it, and we could short-term head around up in this area near the $50 area. So just keep a stop right under about 2 weeks ago under the bottom here. And then this is the utilities, and this one here just touched the confirmation. So typically it might pull back or it might run up. So to be safe, if you purchase some now, just go ahead and put a stop right under here, under it. Now we have Ultra Oil and Gas. That one also generated a new signal to get in. I would put a stop right down there in the bottom of that. But overall, things are looking good, but scary. So I've noticed a lot of shorts being generated as far as being oversold, so I'm getting ready to go in shorting some of the sectors, which I'll be going over next week. But if you want to see the list now, go ahead and register at my website, and I'll be happy to send it to you ahead of time. Other than that, have a great day, and may the trend be our friend.